Hi, I'm Jessica Dance. I'm an artist, designer and coach, and I'm based on the edge of the South Downs in the UK. Today I'm going to be taking you around with me so you can see a bit of my daily routine and what I get up to. Say hi, Wallace. Not saying hi. I work on all different kinds of commissions really. It really varies, so from editorial to installations to private commissions. It's kind of like no 2 days are really the same in the studio. Just headed out for Wallace's morning walk before I head off to the gym. Wallace, you ready for this? Your sheep's going to eat grass. Right, just going to take him for a little run around. I go to the gym every day before I start work. I just find that strength training really clears my head and it really keeps my anxiety at bay as well. This is the veg patch. I can't take credit for all of it, but stuff that's been left in the ground that probably should have come up ages ago is the stuff that I planted. Oh, these are the donks. Hey, donks. This is my studio. This is where I do all of my work. So my making work, designing and coaching is all done from this room. I've got pegboard up on a couple of the walls to hang my tools up. Because it's a relatively small space, it just helps me be a little bit more organised and saves me rummaging around looking for stuff when I'm making. I'd love to say it's always this tidy, but it isn't. Once I start making, that tidiness kind of goes out the window a bit. I'm at my desk now. I'm just starting work. This is where I spend most of my time making models. Today I am making a miniature Eames lounge chair. It's kind of work in progress at the moment. Alongside my work as a designer, I also work as a coach. I help women unpick their mindset blocks which have been holding them back within their businesses. I actually got coached myself and I found that I just enjoyed it so much and I learned so much about my brain and my mind, and just learning that my thoughts were creating my results changed everything for me, and I wanted to learn more about it, so I certified and I set up my coaching practice. Thanks for watching my video. I'm off out to take Wallace for his afternoon walk now. I hope you found the video interesting, and if you want to learn more about making your own miniature interiors, then follow Domestika and my course will be out soon. See ya! Bye!